This is the real Tom Rose, and anytime you deal with consecutive integers, consecutive even, consecutive odd, one of the challenges is simply recognizing that that's happening and knowing how you can parameterize the problem. Meaning, what do we call our integers? And one thing you want to remember is anytime you see, if they say consecutive integers, for example, you want to think of those integers as n. N plus 1 would be the next one up. N plus 2 is 2 up. And n plus 3 is 3 up, or something similar. They actually ask us here for consecutive odd numbers, so we're going to want to write those down as the first one, the second one will be n plus 2, the next one will be n plus 4, etc. There's really nothing you can do algebraically to encode for the fact that this is odd. It'll just happen to be the case that they turn out to be odd if they sum to be 51. So that just needs to kind of happen automatically. So it says the sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 51. So let's actually add those three numbers. So if I have n plus 2 plus n plus 4, that's the sum of the first three, right? That equals 51. And they want the first one in the sequence. They want the n. But now we just have one equation with one variable, so we can solve for n. So you get 3n plus 6 equals 51, meaning 3n, if we subtract 6 from both sides, is 45, and n, therefore, is 15. And you can see it does turn out to be odd. So the sequence was 15, 17, 19. And you can double check that that adds up to 51 if you like, which it does.